Hey, streaming again. We're making a very cool special effect. But first, let's inform the masses, or at least that tiny bit of community I enjoy. Not sure where to advertise else. Where else to advertise? Code stream starting now. The links should be okay. Yes, they are. And that's the cool website. What does it do? It allows you to move your mouse. And you can see it leaves a trail. And the actual cool thing is, this trail is shared between all users of the website. For example, if we have two browsers here, simulating two users, we should see the same content. And if you press down your mouse button, you get actual strokes. Yeah, it works. I have discovered WebSockets, which are the preferred real-time communication channel in browsers. WebSockets are just the fastest thing. It's basically just TCP messages. It beats everything else from long polling to whatever else there is. And it's bidirectional. I can send from the client to the server, which I have to do when I draw something. And I can distribute from the server to each client. Oh, something is actually happening. It's magic. I didn't do it. Yeah, I built this in, what did it take? 2 hours, I think. And the point is to put it on every website. Every website has some free space, right, in the margins. And why not put this thing there? I mean, it's not very convenient to communicate like this. Maybe it should be extended with, I don't know, more stuff. And also, this looks like a dirty chalkboard. Chat. With me. Fantastic. It's printing a heck of a lot of stuff. I should just change that quickly. It's amazing. I'm already happy. My PC is haunted. I wanted to remove this JavaScript excessive printing. Here. Boom. Oh, it's enough if I have one of them open, right? Yep. It loses the contents when you resize. Well, that kind of works. What can we do next? Waiting for ideas. This www is just because the domain record is very new. So this other one didn't work as well. Where do I put this? Okay, goal is done. What next? I should modularize it and put it on lots of websites. And I could add a counter of how many people are watching it right now. That sounds pretty cool. Let's do that. It's like kindergarten. Perfect. I should leave it on the other screen, I think. Some space for coding here. Live on this. It's not a lot of code. This I don't even use. Paint event. Oof. It's not a lot of code. Some Java, some JavaScript. Some WebSocket handling. What was the idea? Oh yeah, to add a counter. Subgoal add counter. Isn't that a great description? An almost effortless mouse-to-mouse communication system. Mouse-to-mouse communication. I'm particularly proud of this fantastic pun. It's really a very good pun. So what do I need? I need another kind of event. And this event distributor just copies the whole event text. I don't have to do anything there. That's actually super elegant. I just have to do something when a new user connects or somebody disconnects, and show the counter on the page. So that's a new diff, ID, people counter, and we need some styling. How's that work again? Float. No, position absolute, right? I'm such a noob in CSS, it's horrible. Position absolute, I think. Some kind of width and height. How about we ask Google for this complicated thing? CSS number in top right corner. Yeah, that's going to be our counter. Then we receive some counter events on people counter. Thankfully we use jQuery. I heard that jQuery is already outdated again. I don't know. This Now we need to send these events. Oh, that's pretty. 2 users online. Yeah. Is it moving properly? Yeah. It's just, what is this white thing here? Yeah. Oh, that's just amazing. That is just amazing. Guy with 3 eyes. No, it was the hair. So if I want this to be a plugin for a website, how would that work? If I want it really cool, I offer this as a service for any website that anybody runs. So the only possible problem is the authority thing, cross-domain problem. Somebody has a domain, they include a JavaScript to display this. So far so good, but then the JavaScript has to open a WebSocket to my server. And I'm actually not sure if that's allowed. Let's research, right? WebSocket domain policy. Oh, there is not a same origin policy. What does that mean? Why is this possible? We're probably happy that it's possible. So the cross-domain problem is not existent. That would be cool, actually. Oh, 3 users, and one of them is not me. That's pretty cool. I also haven't thought about the scaling. If people have different screen sizes, how and if and how do we scale? Because I mean, yeah. And you should be able to make dots. If I just click, I want a dot. Oh, this is the best thing ever. You need something like, what is it called? What the artists use. Touchpad? Trackpad? No. What's that called? Tablet? I'm not an artist, I don't know. Yeah, first port to different websites. Let's see. Cool. it never completely fades. I think the author of this original JavaScript actually said this. There's some rounding problems and he added a bit of random values. It doesn't seem to ever really clear. Just looks like a dirty screen. But maybe it's a feature. It's realistic. You need a wipe tool. I don't know. Yeah, let's try this different website thing. How hard is it gonna be? How hard is it gonna be? So this is my whole backend code. Yeah, I just need to ship the whole thing as one JavaScript. WebSockets are really cool. My great search engine is also based on WebSockets. Here, my Wikipedia search engine. 7 milliseconds to Johnny Walker. It's the same thing. Every line that comes out here is a WebSocket message. Lava. Yeah. I wanted to make a backup, right? It's a little depressing because everything, everything. You instantly want a way to preserve what you draw here. It's also ephemeral. Clear mechanism. The clear mechanism. Yeah, it is buggy. Yes. It is buggy. Press F5. Oh yeah. Or donate for improvements. I do like how quickly I can make websites happen. I really made this in like 2 or 3 hours. Okay. Prevent cam is clear. Oh, okay. That works. But what if I put it on a different website? Let's check it out. Oh, wow. It's working. Yeah, that was the test. That was the cross-domain test. It's on a different domain, like any old domain. And it communicates with a different server. These are actually physically different servers. No, so no errors. So it actually works. You can embed this in any homepage. I'm making like actual products now. I can promote this as a product. Make your website background cooler. with this 1.9. And it is not going to kill my server, I think. It just transmits the coordinates of each line in a format that's almost maximally compact. Yeah, I want interaction between people who visit a website. And the best interaction is low hurdle interaction, low effort. You can even just move the mouse and already you've given a life sign to other users. It's like saying, I'm here. So, yeah, I don't know. I came up with this idea yesterday. I was like, yeah, let's do it. I have the tools in the toolbox to make this. Maybe I'm even done streaming now. Thanks for visit. Okay, bye-bye.